Most businesses don't fail because of low sales. They fail because they don't understand their numbers. And that problem has a name: accounting. What is accounting? Why it exists and why it matters? Let's find it out. Accounting is a structured way to record and organize financial activities so that money flows. Profits, losses, assets, and obligations can be clearly understood and used for informed decision making. Accounting was not invented by corporations, it was created out of necessity. The moment humans started trading or lending or storing resources, they needed a way to keep records and avoid disputes. Accounting is as old as business itself. Ancient civilizations and accounting used accounting to track crops, trade, and taxes. Merchants needed it to know if they were making profit or loss. A business without accounting is flying blind. Even if sales look strong, poor accounting can hide losses, fraud, or cash shortages. Many businesses fail not because they lack customers but because they do not understand their numbers. We need accounting. We need accounting to know whether the business is profitable or failing, to control expenses and prevent losses, to prevent taxes correctly and legally, to prepare taxes correctly and legally, to attract investors, banks, and partners, to comply with laws and regulations. Business owners rely on accounting to make informed decisions, not emotional ones, to make decisions about pricing, hiring, and expansion, to understand cash flow problems, to measure business performance. You already use you already use accounting even if you do not realize it. When you check your bank balance, plan monthly expenses, or decide whether you can afford something, you are practicing personal accounting. Learning the basics gives you control over your financial life. Personal budgeting is basic accounting. Salary, expenses, savings, and debt all follow accounting logic. Understanding accounting prevents financial mistakes. It helps avoid fraud, bad loans, and poor investments. Think of bookkeeping as writing the diary, and accounting as reading and understanding the story. Beginners often confuse the two, but accounting goes beyond data entry. Bookkeeping is recording transactions. Accounting is analyzing and interpreting those records. Bookkeeping is the foundation, and accounting is the decision making layer. Most financial disasters do not happen overnight. They happen slowly due to ignored or misunderstood accounting information. Accounting exists to prevent surprises. If we ignore accounting, then businesses misjudge profit. Cash shortages appear suddenly. Taxes become a legal problem. Fraud becomes easier. Financial collapse happens silently. Accounting is not just for accountants, it is a life skill, a business tool, and a decision making system. If you understand accounting, you understand money, and money affects every part of life. Accounting creates clarity, it builds trust, it supports growth, it protects individuals and businesses, it turns money into useful knowledge. If you understand money, you can control it, and accounting is how money explains itself. If you want to learn more useful tips and techniques, please subscribe, comment, and share with your friends.